and today I'm going to share with you another delicious recipe using a fruit that you find all over the place, the soursop. Now, I've shared with you some recipes I use with soursop on this channel before. I'm going to link them in the cards above and the description box below so you can try them out. One of them was soursop drink, 2 ways, so delicious you have to try it out. Another very creative and innovative dish, fried soursop. Did you know that you can fry soursop? It tastes so good. You absolutely have to watch that. And I challenge you, when you try that recipe, take a picture, send it to me, and I will post your dish on my channel. But today, we're going to be making soursop ice cream. And we're not using an ice cream machine. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 large, very ripe soursop, 3/4 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of condensed milk. Our first step is to prepare the pulp. So I would have taken this soursop. We're going to remove, now if you have food gloves, you can use your food gloves. If not, you can also use your hand. We're going to remove all of the skin. One way that you can tell that a soursop is fully ripe before you even touch it is the skin on the outside gets really light, and the spindles, these little things that stick you, they become soft and flexible. Now we're going to break the soursop apart. We're going to remove the heart, this middle section, but we want to get the pulp. And within the pulp, there's a tiny seed. So we're going to remove the seed. And it's really easy to remove. Once we remove the seed, we're going to put the pulp aside. I finished de-seeding our soursop. That was a huge soursop. So we would have gotten this amount of soursop. These are the seeds and the heart and the skin. And just this juice remaining. We're going to add this now to our blender, and this will help to get a nice smooth pulp.
Mais que nada, sai da minha frente que eu quero passar, pois o sangue está animado.
Now, we would have gotten a lot of pulp, but we only need 1.5 cups of pulp. See how smooth it looks? We're going to add now our 1 cup of condensed milk. Remember, this is an easy way to make ice cream if you don't have an ice cream maker. Of course, ice cream makers always saves a lot of time. You can get ice cream done literally that same day. This is going to take a couple of hours, but once we have our ice cream mixture, we're going to put it to freeze for about 8 hours. So we have our condensed milk, and we're going to mix it in with our soursop pulp. Make sure it's fully combined. And if you're seeing any bits of seed that may have escaped, you know, we just get rid of that. Now our final step before we mix everything together. I'm going to put our heavy cream into a large bowl. Then we're going to use a hand mixer, and we're going to whip it until we get some stiff peaks. It should take about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Then we're going to combine the 2 mixtures together, the soursop and the condensed milk, along with the heavy cream. We're going to stir well, and then we're going to pour it in an airtight container and freeze it for about 8 hours. Making ice cream without an ice cream machine requires some patience, but at the end it will be worth it. This will taste delicious. Our ice cream is done. Right now it reminds me of soft serve, and I love soft serve ice cream just to taste it. So good, so silky, so smooth, and so strong with soursop. If you happen to have a glut of sour sops on your hands and you're trying to find a recipe, I highly recommend using this. Children will love it. You will love it. Sour sop ice cream? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this video, I want you to look over here and see some of my other videos. I want you to watch them all. Click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.